Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long-range all-wheel drive. This one is painted in pearl white multi-coat with a black interior. Okay, we'll start here at the rear of the car. So we have the power lift trunk here. Inside the trunk, nice spacious trunk in these Model 3s. The seats do fold down flat as well, and then we have a compartment here that we can lift up here, and we got more storage down there, and it goes pretty far in, so a lot of space to be had there. We have the button here, and you can see that closes automatically now. All right, we'll zoom out here. We got the full glass roof that comes on these Teslas. Looks great. Here is your beautiful pearl white paint. LED taillights, we got the Tesla badge there, and then here's your dual motor badge, so it is the all-wheel drive long range. All right, we'll spin the car around, we'll check out the wheels next. All right, so this one has the Aero wheel covers, and they're done in the dark gray. We have Pirelli tires all the way around, a 235/45 R18 in the rear, four-wheel disc brakes as you'd expect, and we have the regenerating brakes. We also have the mud guards there, the front and back. Here's your front tires here, and we'll check out the interior next. So here's your door panel over here. Tesla uses really nice materials. You can see the different material usage. This one's almost like a suede material. There is your door release and then your power windows. Here's your front seats from the rear. We have the console in the center here with the HVAC there. Here's your glass roof from the back. And let's check out that seat. So we got the carpeted mat down there. And here is your beautiful seat in great condition. Nice comfortable seats, vegan leather. Pull this down here so you can see we have an armrest here with two cup holders now. Close that back up. Let's check out the front door next. Similar to the back door, aside you have this nice wood grain type material with the nice silver piece there. Here is your door release and your power windows. Let's check out the dash from this side here. Very minimalistic. The wood continues. There's the brains of the car. I'll open up the glove box here. So we do that from the screen. If I can find it here. Oh, back out here. Glove box. All right, power glove box. You can see it opens like that. Here is your door jambs here. Looking great. Model 3 badge there. And we got a camera up here, so it's got the Sentry Mode, so you got cameras all the way around the vehicle. Here's your carpeted mats. Here's your power seats. And we'll scan the seat here. Very nice. And then here's your glass roof. It's a fixed roof as well. We'll check out back here now. We'll walk down. So you can see there's your glass roof there. And we got the body color side mirrors here. Here's your door handles integrated in the door. And they're black handles. And then there's your wheels from this side. We'll walk down here. See, there's another camera there. And we'll stop it here. This one has been polished already, so it's hard to tell with the white, but you can see my hand there. So it is very reflective. Paint looks wonderful. LED headlights here, as well as fog lights. Here's your frunk. And then inside your front, so you got an extra storage space in the front with the Teslas. All right, closing the hood here, and we'll take a skim out here. Again, it's been 5-stage polished already, so this one is ready to go, and it looks great. You can also see the line here, so it does have the paint protective film on the portion of the hood there. And we'll make our way to the front here. Here's your wheels. And the last wheel over here. Okay, here's your door panel. Here's the seats. And we'll do a quick scan on this side here. Close that door. All right, here's your door from this side here. Again, the wood grain door release, all your power window functions here. dash on this side here, you're going to see minimalistic gauges. Here's your door jambs over here. And then we got pedals down there, the mats, and then your power seat here. We'll scan the seat quickly here. All right, jumping in the car. It's got memory seats as well. Here's your windshield wipers. We got the controls over here on the steering wheel on both sides. Here's your transmission controller. Up here we have your shade, or your rear view mirror. Here's the brains of the car, like I said. So everything's done from here. So you can open your front here, your trunk. We'll just get the key going here so we can get everything going here. All right, so over here we have all your controls. So you got your headlight controls here, mirrors, all that fun stuff. Dynamics right here. So you got different acceleration, steering weight, and you can check out change your stopping mode as well. So creep, roll, hold. What else we want to look at here? So you got lights here, seats. So we got heated seats, all 5 seats. Display here. We'll go to software here, so you can see it's a Model 3 long range dual motor. Mileage 34,719 kilometers. And then let's throw it in. It also has navigation as well. I'll throw it in reverse, so you can see it's got the reverse camera there. You can see all the people, the cars and people around, and we have the side modes there. And put it back in drive here, so you can see it's going there. And again, navigation. We'll hit this button here, so you got all kinds of extra icons here. All right, coming down here, we have your wireless charging pads here. So you got 2 for your cell phone. This is your key here, so it's a card. And you can also set up your cell phone, so you don't actually need the card. Open up here, we have the console, so lots of storage there. 2 cup holders there. Here's your console lid. I'll lift that up. And we got more storage down there. All right, and we'll put the lights on. Open up the door, and let's take a walk out front. Check out the car with all the lights on, and get an overall view with the doors. There's your lights on the car, so nice and bright. Spin it around here. Check out the tail lights next. I didn't quite close that door all the way there. There's your tail lights. There it is. So here we have it. This is a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long-range dual motor all-wheel drive. It's painted in pearl white multi-coat with a black interior. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.